Y'all, I have been waiting and refreshing the Supreme Court docket all day. To say this is another lackluster flop is an understatement. But sure, let's hear what Mike Lindell has to say.
It's going to shock the world, everybody. Remember, if you're just tuning in, the case has been filed at the U.S. Supreme Court. When you file it at the Supreme Court, it's not public. You can go there, but you can't see the evidence, or you can't see the case yet until they docket it.
Okay, so for those who are unfamiliar with this case, they are claiming that machines are somehow against civil rights. The court returned an opinion on why everything they said was utterly ridiculous. It failed in district court, appellate court, and it's gonna fail in the Supreme Court too. But something weird that I noticed here. Pause to read, notice the dates. That's right, this case was docketed back in January, and the Lindell team kept filing for extensions to file that writ of certiorari. Now, when that will be uploaded, I don't know.
Proven, right there it is. Boom. The software was changed. That's a felony.
Now, what is he talking about here? Well, I've been listening to his Twitter space for almost 2 hours. Y'all, they found a config file. That's what he's talking about. And apparently stored procedures, but they're not explicitly saying why this was wrong. They also apparently found some mismatch errors in the logs. Now, to anybody in the IT world, they're like, okay, this is normal. The fact that they're using these techie words and explicitly not telling the audience what's wrong with them, or saying this is what it's supposed to be, is kind of suspect. Like, legitimately, I think they're just using words to try to scare people into saying, oh my god, I don't understand any of this. So clearly they have all the evidence. Y'all, this is a remote. This is a remote, guys. Clearly fraud.
Our battle doesn't stop there. We're working all over this country. We've got to change. We got just getting rid of the machines. We also fight to get rid of the computers.
You know, based on his other commentary about how we're literally living inside the Terminator movie, I legitimately don't understand how he can have such a large following and people think he's the authority on all this.
90% there, everybody. We're 90% there. We've got everything. 3 years of hard work. Now we need your help. This is it. I didn't make this up that there's a Supreme Court case that was filed today. This is huge. This is historical. 300,000 people on the ground. Everything we've been doing comes down to now. It's all come together. Everything's come together.
Oh, but there's more.
God gave us grace for such a time as this because we have all the stuff we need. All we need now, we've got the plan, we've got the people, we've got everything, but we need funding.
There it is.
In this case, we need to donate. Take everything you got and put it in here. If we don't win this, we're not going to have anything anyway.
Yeah, he's literally telling all of his followers to give him all their money. What I find interesting, though, he's failed for 2 extensions on this writ. Why such a huge push for money now? Could it have anything to do with the $5 million he has 5 days to pay?